so sorry, Lily. His heart, it's just too tired.
More medicine? Will he get better?
It's not that kind of tired. We're looking at a day, maybe less.
Memories in the light, fading from my sight, a beautiful sight. Good